Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good day. Today we will have a recorded video on our last class exercise. Okay, so we have this is question taken from previous year exam. Okay, you're required to create a PERT chart or in bracket network diagram. Project evaluation and review task. Okay, we have activity A to I. These are the description. Third column is a number of days taken to perform for this project, and the final column is the predecessor activity. Okay, so basically A is the starting point. A doesn't have predecessor. B is the second, and it has A as its predecessor. Okay, A will start first, and once A is completed, B will proceed. C will have A as its B as its predecessor. Okay, A, then followed by B, and followed by C. D 15 days time taken, and it has to wait until A finish, then can start. Okay, so we have another channel. A continue with D. E, we have C and D as its predecessor, so E can only start after C and D is completed. Okay, either one. C is 19 days, D is 15 days. Okay, so once the longest one finish, then E will proceed. Okay, F will have E as its predecessor. G will have E also. Okay, so after E, F and G will start concurrently. H will have F and G as its predecessor, and the final one is I will have H as its predecessor. Right, so let's go to the Microsoft project. Okay, we have key in the task. Okay, then this is task mode. Then you want to have it manually or auto schedule. Okay, task name, take the first task. So we can resize it so that you can see easily. Okay, you can have two windows concurrently. Right, creating team project for this. Okay, features automatic. Okay, it recorded as the day we recorded. We enter the data. Right, and it finished on 22nd. B, task B will start after task A. Right, so we put here predecessor as 1. Okay, task C, analysis and design, will start after We completed task B. Task number 2. Sign agreement 15 days. We start immediately after A. Okay, so we have to put it here, predecessor as number 1. And purchase domain 7 days, and it has 2 predecessor, C and D. Hosting and backend 4 days. Okay, and we have E as its predecessor. Okay, testing we have F and G, 6 and 7 as its predecessor, and finally training we have H or number 8 as its predecessor. Right. So let's close this one. So once we have done that, we can choose see network diagram. Okay, in the layout we can define this is as non-critical and this is as critical. Okay. Okay, this is A or number 1, and then this is number 2. Okay, if we may want to see back, okay, and A will follow by B and D. B and D. Okay. So the table task. Okay, this is called table task. You put the name, you put the start date, finish date, okay, the number of days, okay, put the ID, okay. Okay, you can see the blue line is the non-critical, whereas the red line is the critical. Task number 1, number 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, and 9 are the critical. So we cannot miss even one day if you want to make sure they. Okay, we have to complete the red line and boxes to make sure that our project will be finished as we promised. Okay.